Hello! I thought we would do brows together today. I'm going to be using the Epilynx by Dr. Lee brow pencil in the shade Coffee Brown. I feel like brows are one of those things where like trendy brow routines have really changed a lot in the last couple of years, but I just like my brows to look natural. I've been doing them the same way for a long time now. I love this little pencil here, and I also love that the brand is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and it's good for sensitive skin. I have really sensitive skin, so I just brushed my brow hairs upward, getting all nice and close there. So that's what my brows look like, brushed upward. And then this is the pencil. It has like a little slanted, you guys can see, the tip of it is slanted just a little bit, and all I'm going to do is going to line the underside of it, line the top side really lightly, and then just fill in with light strokes. Okay, so this is one not done, and there's one done. My kind of little trick for doing this part is to just go upward really lightly to mimic like natural hairs. I do have kind of spare spots in there, and I think that fills them in really naturally. I do think the slanted brush tip helps as well get those little natural hairs in. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side now. Okay, so here's how they came out finished. I feel so naked when my brows aren't done. I think this tool makes them so easy. So thanks for hanging out with me. Say bye. Say bye. You're gonna ruin the brows.